Welcome to our music class. This is Sir Mark, your music teacher. The staff. A staff has five horizontal lines and four spaces. The F clef staff. Why do we call this F clef staff? The line in between the two dots is F. The pitches in bass clef or F clef is low. The letter names on the F clef staff. You're going to start on the first line. G is on the first, B is on the second, D is on the third, F is on the fourth, and the fifth or last line is A. We can use mnemonics or acronyms to memorize the letter names easily. To easily remember the letter names of the lines of the bass clef or F clef staff, remember this phrase. Great balance develops fine arms. For spaces, A for the first space, second space is C, third space is E, and for the last space is G. To easily remember the letter names of the spaces of the bass clef or F clef staff, remember this phrase. All cows eat grass. We can use also our hand to identify the letter names of the lines and spaces of the F clef staff. The fingers represent the lines and the spaces between our fingers are the spaces. Did you know that there are signs and symbols that can make pitch and pitch names more interesting? Before we start, here's the goal that we need to achieve after this lesson. Read with me. Learning target. I can understand the concept of flats, sharp, and natural sign. To achieve our learning target, we need to go through these activities. Review, decoration, accidentals, flats, sharp, and natural. Wrap up. To guide us and know that we achieve something as we go through our lesson, these small icons that you will find in the upper part of the presentation are indications that our activities, tasks, or discussions will shape your multiple intelligences. These are the signs and symbols that can make pitch and pitch names high and low. It is also used by music composer to make music more interesting and to decorate the pitches. We can compare it to a decorations of a cake and decorations in our home every time that there is an occasion for us to have an unforgettable moment and event. What do we call the decorations for pitch? We called it accidentals. What is accidentals? Accidentals are the signs that can make pitches raised and lower from its original pitch. Flats, sharps, and natural sign are part of the accidentals. How does these signs and symbols decorate the pitches? We are going to start with this symbol, the flat sign. Looks like a small letter B. Flat sign means lower in pitch by one semitone or half step. How does it look when it is on the staff? As you can see, the flat sign is notated before the note. The pitch name of this note is A because it is on the first space of the F clef staff. Because of the flat sign before the note, the pitch name of this note change to A flat. What does it sound from a regular pitch to a flatted pitch or note? The first note is on a regular A. Listen as I play an A on the piano. Now I am going to play an A flat. I will play it continuously from A to A flat, A, A flat. What did you notice between the two pitches? Is the sound going up or going down? Correct, going down. When we add a flat sign on a regular pitch, the sound will be lower from its original pitch. Next is sharp sign. Looks like a hashtag or a number sign. Sharp sign means to raise the pitch by one semitone or half step. What does it look when it is on the staff? As you can see, the sharp sign is notated before the note. The pitch name of this note is A because it is on the first space. Because there is a flat sign before the note, the pitch name of this note changed to A sharp. How does it sound from a regular pitch to a sharp pitch or note? The first note is on a regular A. Listen as I play an A on the piano. Now, I am going to play an A sharp. I will play it continuously from A to A sharp. A, A sharp. What did you notice between the two pitches? Is the sound going down or going up? Correct, the sound is going up. When we add the sharp sign on a regular pitch, the sound will be higher than the original pitch. Lastly, the natural sign. Natural sign is an accidental sign used to cancel a flat or sharp from either a preceding note or the key signature. What does it look when it is on the staff? Like flat and sharp, it is also notated before the note. We can call this note A natural or A because natural sign back the name of the pitch to its original pitch name. How does it sound from a flatted note and from a sharp note? Please listen as I play A flat and A natural. A flat, A natural. Now I will play it continuously from A flat to A natural. A flat. What happened to the sound? The sound or pitch went higher from A flat to A natural because it canceled the flat sign and go back to its original pitch. Remember that a flat sign lowered the pitch by a half tone. So when we put a natural sign on a flatted note, it will raise the pitch by half tone and back it to its original pitch. Now let's go to sharp. Please listen as I play A sharp and A natural. A sharp, A natural. Now I will play it continuously from A sharp to A natural. What happened to the sound? The sound or pitch went lower from A sharp to A natural because it cancels the sharp sign and goes back to its original pitch. Remember that a sharp sign raises half tone of the pitch. So when we put natural sign on a sharp note, it will lower the pitch by a half tone and back to its original pitch. Please also take note that the enrichment activities for this lesson will be accessible in your Genio account. Thank you, and you may learn a lot from the lessons I prepared. Stay safe and healthy. See you next meeting.